Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shivam and I am going to share a restaurant style noodles recipe with you. And if you enjoy the video, then press the like and subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell icon. First we will take water and then heat it. After heating, we will add salt and oil to the water. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil and 1/4 tablespoon salt. After that, I'll add the noodles. Here I am taking 1.5 packs of noodles. Make sure that you don't break the noodles. After the noodles is boiled, we will strain the water and take the noodles aside and cool it. It took me about 6 to 7 minutes to cook the noodles. Now we will strain the water. I have strained the water from the noodles. Now I will let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. For this recipe, I will take 1 capsicum, half red bell pepper, half yellow bell pepper, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1/5 cabbage, 2 green chilies, 5 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. Now we are all set to go for the main thing in the recipe, so let's go. We will take a pan and heat it. After heating, we will add 4 spoons of oil. Make sure the stove is on high flame throughout because Chinese is cooked on military heat and this is the reason for smoky and textured noodles. Now we'll add the green chilies, ginger and garlic. Now we'll add the onions. After about 30 seconds, we will add the carrot and also the cabbage. The cabbage and carrot seems to be cooked. Now we'll add the bell peppers. Now we will add salt, half a tablespoon black pepper, half a tablespoon Ajinomoto, that is also called Chinese salt. Now it's the time for the sauces. First we'll add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Two tablespoons of red chili sauce. One tablespoon of tomato sauce. One tablespoon of green chili sauce. Now we'll quickly add the noodles. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. I have added 1 more tablespoon of soya sauce. At this point you can add the green part of green onions. Actually I am not having it right now, so I am not putting it. This is complete. Now we will serve it hot. I have added some coriander in the noodles for garnishing, as I was not having the green onions. So now you can serve it hot. Thank you for watching the recipe.